Mustang 23T here. I'm gonna go ahead and do a few rev ups here. So let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and do some quick rev ups after the install of the Catted MBRP turbo downpipe. As you know, I have a full-blown exhaust now, from the turbo all the way to the back end from MBRP. So full 3-inch pipe, and this is how it sounds. So this is from this angle view. I'm gonna get up a little bit closer so we can get a better shot. So you guys can go ahead and hear it from a closer view. I'm gonna get a little bit from the back here. Don't want to get up too close, just so you guys can go ahead and hear it. And just a little bit one more here. This is gonna be right at the exhaust, so you guys can go ahead and hear it. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and do some drive-bys, some takeoffs or whatnot, so you guys can go ahead and hear how it sounds. So we'll take it from there. Alright guys, so this is from the inside cabin. I have it right now just on normal mode, so you guys can hear the type of drone that's inside the car. So this is normal driving. I'm not accelerating, you know, full throttle, whatnot. So this is how it sounds normal if you're just driving, you know, normally. Me personally, I don't think it's that bad. It's tolerable on my end. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch it to sport mode so you guys can see it. So I have sport mode on right now. The drone gets a little bit higher, not that much of a difference, and of course the gears are driving, you know, at a higher rev, so that's why you hear it a lot more. I'm gonna go ahead and just drive full throttle. Once again, the windows are up, and this is how it basically sounds. Again, not too bad. Go ahead and put this back in normal mode. So that's how it sounds in the inside cabin. Alright guys, there you have it. Hope you enjoyed the video and that bonus clip that I put in there. Let me know what your comments are. Like, subscribe, share. Any questions, comments, go ahead and leave them below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Mustang 23T. I'm out. Have a very blessed day.